Hello and welcome back to my next video. Okay. Question: Is it focused? Because sometimes she be looking like she's focused, and then just hold on to the little green. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Cool. Okay.
Go.
Hola people, today we're going to be doing a blobbity blob. No, let's do it again.
Not cut the cameras, dead ass.
No. I'm just going to keep rolling.
Does he save that one son Trump has that's like gay and like isn't allowed to have social media? Oh my god. Save that one. I forget his name.
Let me tell you about a little bit about myself. So my name is Aldrich Chica and I blah 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 I do. Party silly. Party silly. Party silly. Please sponsor us.
Potty silly. Potty silly.
I'm here in Los Angeles, California. Pursuing my blah blah blah. Okay, anyways. Fuck, I don't even know. Buff fucking shit.
Of course it's stuck.
Ready?
My body. Sorry. We're on the news.
Cheaper 1 week classes. I feel like my thing's planted.
I haven't used this primer in probably, I don't know, 3 years.
You were the one that recommended me this primer. I hate that primer. Okay. Pursuing my dingleberries. No, whatever. Okay, so first off, let's I don't even know what to say. I think that whole beginning was trash.
Just like a centimeter. Not a centimeter, like. It looks centered. Are you good, Tess? Your contact in?
She's hurting like a bitch.
She's hurting?
Jenna, you look constipated.
But like, I am.
Right.
I am.
Alright, so I just wanted to end this video. We need to put.
What's going on?
Pause the video.
Cut the cameras.
Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras.
It's gonna be a little different because I do special effects, makeup, and beauty. So combined, I have a kit. What the fuck? Some of the edges is not fully inside the packaging. Did you see this?
Yes. I pointed it out when I was doing the video. I was like, oh damn, like I didn't realize this while I was in the store, but I'm not being forced to be here.
Oh fuck.
Oh my god,
Hello?
who is it?
Okay, I'm coming. Too quick. I just wanted to make sure I wanted to compress everything. Okay. We need to put
I just want to preface this video with saying I actually can do makeup, but this video is not going to redeem myself whatsoever.
I still have yet to do
What did
decent
I
makeup on this
What
channel.
did I just say?
I don't know, write it down.
What's it ever?
I have my Sephora, fucking shit, what's this called? What's this called? I have my Sephora contour kit. Okay, cut.
Cut the cameras, dead ass!
Make sure to hit that notification button. Make sure to hit that notification button so you know every time I when you need more color corrector.
I burped like 80 times in his last video.
What happened?
I spilled water. I'll clean it up, I promise.
I will say it's not that pigmented. I have tried some other stuff, but I really, we can just cut that. I really like this palette.
At this point, take my handy dandy brush they gave me because it's such a good brush. And whole thing I can't pick it up.
Oh, you did it.
Oh, Nori! I know. Ari, Nori.
I told your ass. Like, here's the powder. Cool. I love it.
Okay. We should do this video, but then we should do another video where we like actually do a good makeup, so I can like tell the internet that I'm actually gonna do makeup.
Then I also have these Mayron, what are these? I forgot what these are called. Oh, I also have these Mayron rubber grease paints. Let's see.
Honestly, like what entertains me.
Honestly, you heard that shit, right? Use these for bald caps, also for prosthetics, and just other stuff. Cool, Aldridge. You know what? These eye things, from afar, even up close, you can't see my eyes, but I can see y'all just fine. Like, yeah, I see there's like a mesh, but like, it's like, whoa. So I'm like, I give credit to the mesh. I give credit to the mesh. Oh, I know.
I could never be a YouTuber because I would need to apologize for something every time I made a video. Because I just, like...
You're horrible.
Do you know how much I had to cut out from the shit that you said?
Yeah, I know. But,
I was like,
and this thing is, like, I am not, I'm a nice person, like, you know what I mean?
She's
but
strongly
I just, like,
opinionated.
say things that, you know, people on the internet would be like, oh my God.
And also, you know, some of it comes from like an actual standpoint, and then some of it's like a comedic
I like how
standpoint.
you took out some of the stuff I said last video, but you left in depopulate the earth 20
And also that you would fuck that one guy from the last Airbender.
Stop, he's a cartoon! Never ever again. Wow.
Bye! Alright,
Wow.
try it again. Oh. Do you remember when it said, like, we were already doing the makeup, right?
I think so.
This is, do you want to introduce yourself?
Neo.
No, so the cat left.
They're in there, and in the blue, there's a blue little pencil pouch.
I'm so sorry, I almost bit you as literally hard as I can. It just like came over me.
It didn't
No, I didn't. I had to pull myself away from you because I would have bit through your whole arm.
We feel this. Alright.
Crazy.
How do they see you from here? So you didn't really have to be so close.
She wants to be there.
I was standing. There's a fucking stool here. I can't stand here. You fucking idiot.
Why couldn't you sit down?
They give you makeup remover. I wonder if it's just like.
Here's your
It
brush.
looks like.
That's hot.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh! I thought I had a dark brown eyeshadow out, but I have this dark maroon color. So for the dark maroon color, I'm gonna use that.
Okay. Something fucking. Honestly, I'm going in with the Party City butt, to be completely
Oh
honest.
my gosh, yeah. Might as well. We spent $16 with tax for this shit.
With tax! With tax!
Tax! I first started off with like a lot of red, and then I was like, I'm just red. And then I was like, okay, let me just go in with a little darker color. Then I'm like, now I'm just doing blackface. And then I was like, let me try doing some other colors, and then it was just like, oh fuck. So.
There we go.
Oh my god! I'm so sorry! I'm so...
Are we going to emo night?
When are we going to karaoke?
You know, it's so sad that we never.
I know.
And they closed the place.
You're fucking kidding
No,
me.
they closed
No,
it.
you're fucking joking. No,
That and
you're
Flaming Saddles.
No!
So we'll never be able to go.
Okay. Shut up.
They're mad about Rage too.
Oh my god, that's why you always do something when you have the chance. We went to karaoke night. Literally,
Everybody and their mother were trying to have us go.
everyone was like, because we were singing in the back, we were like singing along to everyone else's
Some
song.
people didn't know the lyrics.
Yeah.
You didn't know the lyrics to Hairspray?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
So we were like singing in the back, and everyone was like, go up there, and we were
Yeah.
but we were both like so fucking nervous. So we didn't.
We're like-
because it was also like, we went to this karaoke night, it was like a Thursday. It was like a close-knit community of people. The same people went every week, it was
Every
that
year.
sort of thing. We were a little intimidated, so we didn't do it. We're like, we'll do it next week.
We never went. And then we
COVID
kept canceling, and then boom, yeah, COVID. And then they closed the bar.
And then they closed the bar. And that's what you always do. You always do things. And I said, at the end was like, let's just do it. And you were like, no, we'll do it next
I'm a
time.
little bitch. I'm a
So
little bitch.
listen, I'm a down
I'm a little bitch. Alright. Stay tuned for the other videos in October. And,
You don't have like a catchphrase or anything?
When you were talking, I just went like this.
I've done like 17 weird smiles.
Okay,
I'm
so
probably
Blaine-
gonna watch this and be embarrassed.
so please. Also finished his makeup. Okay.
Me spotting my knees are shaking.
If you still drink milk, grow up. If you still drink milk, grow up.
All the babies.
You are I'm simply unwell, and I need you to know that I would rather actually I'm not gonna say that. I would rather light myself on fire than remove this makeup.
I mean, you look better now.
I
than
feel-
when you started.
Oh,
You know what's
I've
crazy?
never looked better.
I
than
feel
right now.
really comfortable.
I don't.
Wait, they're still recording? You can play.
Yeah, my
Would you rather gleek a whole gallon on command? Like a whole gallon of spit? Or... I forgot what the other one was.
noise your mouth just made it terrifying. Let's do each other's makeup.